Happy Saturday, everyone. This is another episode of Creed Eats Heat. Today I have hot monkey nuts, Black Widow's Bite. You got 8 different kinds of hot peppers. They are gluten-free and it says insane on the package. So, pretty cool. Let's see. It says 8 servings per container, serving size about 1/4 of a cup. But we're not going to do anything in fourths. So, I take my trusty Geno's cup, fill some up, take a bite, let you guys know what I think. Sure, that's 1/4 of a cup. Why not? Let's see. They're peanuts. Might have to give them a minute. Hope everyone is having a good weekend. All right. They're very tasty, but a little bit more. We're not getting much heat out of these. They're delicious, but I'm gonna say, no, hold on, creeping up a bit. Hold on. Not so bad. Definitely no toe of Satan. Definitely no white lightning. Definitely hot. Probably not for a very small kid, but not so bad. A little bit more. You notice I got no milk. I'm not drinking anything, so not too shabby. Well, at any rate, very delicious. This is what the package looks like. Okay. Where did I get these? I think I got these on Amazon. Again, that's hot monkey nuts, Black Widow's Bite. Very delicious. On the heat scale, we're gonna give these guys, I'll give these guys a 2.5, 3, somewhere in that range. Very tasty though. If you want hot nuts that aren't overly hot, this is the way to go. Hope everybody has a nice weekend. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you everybody for watching so far. And thank you to everybody that's jumped on the Instagram. I got a huge amount of followers, 60, in just a couple of days. So at this rate, we'll be doing really well. If anybody has anything to show me, please message me and let me know. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend.